Hello friends, and you are welcome to today's video. There are several skills that can set you on the road to a high-income career if you want to increase your earning potential. In today's video, I will discuss the top 3 high-income skills to learn in 2023. So, if today is your first time here on this channel, kindly subscribe for more videos. The first high-income skill to consider is coding and software development. As technology develops, there will always be a significant demand for qualified coders and software developers. Software development and learning to code may be difficult yet rewarding endeavors. These are some starting points. Select a programming language. There are a variety of programming languages available, each with particular advantages and disadvantages. Python, Java, and JavaScript are a few of the well-liked choices for newcomers. Choose the language that best suits your hobbies and professional objectives by researching each one. Locate resources to learn from. You may learn how to code online using a variety of free and commercial tools. edX, Coursera, Udemy, and Codecademy are a few well-liked alternatives. On websites like YouTube and GitHub, you can also find tutorials, videos, and online forums. Regularly practice coding. The more you do it, the more proficient you'll get. Schedule regular time each day or week to work on coding projects or practice coding exercises. Start with straightforward programs and progress to more challenging projects as your confidence grows. Create a portfolio. Begin compiling a list of the projects you've worked on as you learn to code. Anything from easy games to online applications can be used for this. A key tool for presenting your abilities to prospective employers is your portfolio. Join a coding community. Getting help and advice from other programmers can be obtained by joining a coding community, whether it be online or in person. Also, you might be able to obtain employment possibilities and learn from more seasoned programmers. Formal education. Although learning to code independently is possible, formal education can offer a more controlled learning environment and give you access to tools and networks that you might not otherwise have. Think about signing up for a university program, a community college course, or a coding bootcamp. It's important to keep in mind that learning to code requires time and work, but with commitment and practice, you can become a proficient software developer and discover a variety of rewarding job options. Data analysis. The second skill to learn is data analysis. With so much data being produced, experts who can analyze and interpret it are needed. Learning data analysis is a fantastic way to develop skills that are in high demand across a variety of industries. These are some starting points. Pick a tool. Microsoft Excel, SQL, R, and Python are just a few of the many tools available for data analysis. Pick a tool that supports your interests and professional objectives. Locate resources to learn from. You may learn how to perform data analysis online using a variety of free and paid tools. A few well-liked choices include edX, Coursera, and DataCamp. On websites like YouTube and GitHub, you can also find tutorials, videos, and online forums. Regularly practice data analysis. The more you do it, the more proficient you'll get. Find publicly accessible datasets, then begin studying them with the tool of your choice. As you gain confidence, go up to more complex projects by starting with simpler data analysis tasks. Create a portfolio of your completed projects as you gain experience with data analysis. This can take the form of anything from straightforward data displays to intricate data models. A key tool for presenting your abilities to prospective employers is your portfolio. Join a data analysis community. Getting assistance and advice from other analysts can be obtained by joining a data analysis community, whether it be online or in person. More seasoned analysts can teach you things, and you might even uncover employment prospects. Although learning data analysis independently is possible, formal schooling can offer a more controlled learning environment and give you access to tools and networks that you might not otherwise have. Think about enrolling in a data analysis bootcamp, a university program, or a community college course. It's important to keep in mind that mastering data analysis requires time and effort, but with commitment and practice, you may master the subject and discover a wide range of rewarding employment prospects. Digital marketing. The third skill to consider is digital marketing. With the rise of social media and online advertising, digital marketing has become an indispensable talent for organizations. Digital marketing knowledge can be an asset to your career or business. These are some initial steps you can take. Specify your aims. When beginning to study digital marketing, it is vital to establish your goals. Are you attempting to advertise a firm, introduce a new product, or become an expert in digital marketing? Your objectives will help you select which digital marketing areas to prioritize. Acquaint yourself with the fundamentals. Start with digital marketing fundamentals, such as content marketing, search engine optimization, SEO, email marketing, social media marketing, and paid advertising. There are numerous free online resources, including blogs, movies, and online courses. Take online courses. There are a variety of online courses covering various aspects of digital marketing. Coursera, Udemy, and LinkedIn Learning are examples of popular platforms. Choose a course that corresponds to your skill level and objectives, as they range from introductory to advanced. Digital marketing is a hands-on industry, therefore, the best way to learn is by doing. Create a website, conduct a social media campaign, or establish an email marketing strategy using the knowledge gained in the classes. Keep up with the most recent trends. The digital marketing landscape is in a perpetual state of flux, therefore, it is necessary to stay abreast of the latest trends and best practices. Stay updated by subscribing to industry publications, following digital marketing influencers on social media, and participating in webinars and conferences. Mastering digital marketing is a constant process, but you can become proficient and effective in this industry with the correct approach, resources, and practice. We will conclude our study by saying that whether you are just starting out or seeking a career change, acquiring these skills can boost your earning potential and provide you with access to intriguing new opportunities. Hey! If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the subscription button below. I like to hear your comments and questions in the comments section. I thank you for your time.